that is not, it will be debunked by the Supreme Court, because I believe, as all the other bishops and all of us here in Sorsogon, that that law is a useless law. Useless. It does not have to be a law at all, because what is in the law, they are already doing anyway, just immoral. And what is bad is that they will finance immorality.
They are financing immorality.
Financing immorality is already being done. Now it will become worse, because by law they will have a budget for that. That will make it worse. So people are already doing that. We know, but it will be worse when they distribute all of that for free, and we do not believe that is free for the health. The hidden thing is to control population, and that is bad. Bad even for the country, bad for the economy. So not only bad religiously, but even bad for the economy of the nation. Look at China. They are becoming one. No. Look at Japan. If they control this population, look at Europe. They are all dying. So let us all Filipinos, we have plenty of Filipinos to rule the world. Economically, what will happen? We'll have no more OFWs, no more Filipinos. We'll have no more priests and religious sisters and brothers, because there will be no more people from it. One thing is simply to imitate the control, and that is very bad for the country. Yeah, not only for the church, but for the country. So it's just dictated by so-called William Gould.
The justices of the Supreme Court, Bishop,
Yeah.
in one of their interviews, they asked the question, where does life begin?
We begin at the moment of conception. That is our stand. And then, well, in order to debunk that law, we invoke that because the Constitution, because you have to be legal also in order to debunk that. The Constitution said, protect life. Now, where does life begin? That's a big argument, and most of the scientists today begin not only the implantation, but at the moment of conception. That is what. And this is very important. Where we are harping on that because we have to abide by the Constitution. Otherwise, the Supreme Court judges will not consider morality, will not consider that one. What is to be considered is constitutional. That means it's against the Constitution, the basic law of the land.
The fundamental rights to life.